Okay guys, alright guys, good afternoon. In today's video I'm going to be doing a farm day with my friends. We're going to Ramseyer's farm in Worcester, Ohio. I'm super excited. This is my third time going to this farm. We're running behind, so I'm actually about to hop in my car, head to Brian's house. I think Isaiah's going to meet us there, and then we're going to head to the farm, and then everybody else will just meet us up there. But I'm super excited. This is the fit. These shoes are from Target. I got them like a year ago. This skirt is from Marshall's. This shirt is from Shein. This jacket's from Target. I got this like 4 years ago. This bag is from the thrift store, and my hair is done by Jadaisha. Yes, ma'am. But yeah, I'm about to hop in the car, so let me go do that now. Yeah. I also forgot to mention, I'm also going to be using my Pocket 3, my DJI Pocket 3, which this will be my first time using this to like do a full-on vlog, so I'm a little nervous but also excited. I did a cinematic video with this camera and that went well, so I'm just hoping the whole video goes well. But let me get in my car. Also, as you can see, I'm definitely going for a green look. I'm wearing camo, hunter's gear, and then again like this big puffy jacket, but green is actually my second favorite color. I love wearing it. It makes me feel in touch with nature. Dead serious. I don't know. It's just a healing color to me. And I got my cream soda for the ride to the farm. And we better eat because I haven't eaten a single thing today except a Rice Krispie treat. So I guess that is a single thing. But anywho. Also, this is my rental car, y'all. My real car is in the shop because somebody wanted to rear end me a few weeks ago, earlier this month. And no, I'm not a mother. A car seat's in here for one of my little daycare babies, but let's go. Okay, chat. Late number 1 is about to get in my car, so just wait a moment, and then late number 2 is gonna get in my car. He's examining my car. Look, right there. He's gonna get in now.
Get a new car, did you?
I did.
Like, you lied to me.
No, the heck? This is late number 1, everybody.
Late number 1. I got here before you.
The agreed time was 1 p.m. Yeah.
Fine, I'll sit in this car seat.
You probably should. Where's late number 2? What is he doing?
Late number 2. Jolie, I was here before you.
What is he doing? Okay, chat, and then this is late number 2. Hold on.
Who's late number 1?
This is late number 2. It doesn't matter who's 1, who's 2. Just know that these 2 were both late.
Us?
Yes.
We were here.
Who's here before you?
No, because the agreed time.
Yes.
The agreed time was 1 p.m.
And if he was here before you.
No, and then everybody pushed it back to 2.
Jolie.
That's what we should
Stop
do.
following mommy. Stop following mommy.
Follow.
I always want to follow mommy.
Follow.
You know, I'm really challenging myself today. Trying to mess around with this camera.
6 7 7 6 7 7 6 7 7 6 7 7
22 and 23, by the way.
And you're 22 listening to us and recording us and encouraging it.
No, I'm recording you guys to shame you guys.
Is this for me?
I got no shame in my game, bro.
No.
I showed the video to my mom, and did you see that or no?
Where are you? Camera.
How tight do you want it?
Tight?
Let's get this party started. I didn't ask to get recorded.
Unfortunately my camera's doing weird things right now, so
You didn't even
it
look
looks a little
at me?
goofy. It is just weirdly. Oh, this is better. This is much better. Or is it? Brian, what are you doing? Taking forever.
You want your bracelet on?
That's for sure.
Guys. Wait. Whenever we get here, we're gonna be like. I'll do a video like that.
Oh.
That's the only video. We just put the wrist and. Alright.
Okay.
Most of you, wait, it's just us. Alright.
Yes. Hold on. Y'all see what I'm seeing? Let me just. So obviously with the farm, everybody's gonna do a fit check. There's only 3 of us here. Why are we migrating this way?
We're following you.
Okay, so who's first? Bryant. Bryant, stop. Freeze. Okay, fit check.
Can I unfreeze?
Yes.
Okay.
Shirt from?
NASCAR. I'm a professional vroom racer.
Oh, okay.
Marshalls, Goodwill for like $5.
Period.
And then these are Doc Martens from Journeys.
Period. Okay. Your turn.
Pants from, don't know. Actually, I don't.
Gucci.
Gucci.
Okay.
Oh my
Sponsored by Nike.
Okay. Shoes from Nike.
H&M shirt. H&M
Okay.
jacket. Underwear.
Oh,
Hanes.
Hanes. Oh,
That's it.
your bag?
Bag from, I don't know actually. It's Amazon.
Okay, bag from Amazon. Got
My
it.
socks from Target.
Oh.
Or no, they're not. They're Nike. I don't got underwear on.
Wow.
All right. What happened?
He's here.
Already?
Yeah, he calls me. He's like, "What are you doing?" What do you mean? What am I doing?
Why did you ask questions like that?
I'm here.
All right, let's go
You
get
know
Rob and
what I'm
Sienna.
doing.
Guys, look, isn't this kind of funny? Condiment cow, ketchup, barbecue sauce, ranch, all right there. You gotta milk the cow to get it. All right, chats, me and Brian are gonna split the pulled pork fries. So he's in line right now.
I really don't look at myself when I say.
All right, chats. So we got our food. We're gonna eat
I mean,
this.
it makes sense.
Rob and Sienna are getting corn, and then after this, we're gonna take pictures and then start having fun. So bear with us and ignore that.
It's just gonna be messy.
Stop calling me.
6 7 7 6 7 7 6 7 7 6 7 7 6 7.
No, Isaiah. Have you ever been to a farm before?
No, I haven't.
No, never?
I don't know.
No.
It wasn't. I don't know. I don't remember much of my childhood. It's very traumatic, actually. I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. Say hello to Rob and Sienna and their corn. Yes, and they're matching. Very, very cute. All right, guys, Orlando's now here. So say hello to the vlog. There we go. Now everyone's here. It's kind of like some of us are wearing like light colors, some of us are wearing like dark colors, but it works because it's like split evenly, low key. Okay. All right, guys. So
There's like a giant gap to the left. Everyone
I know,
move to
why
the
is there a
left.
gap over here?
Everyone move to the left.
All right, after we took pictures, after we ate, now the fun begins. So come on, just have fun. Rob and Sienna and Orlando, you guys can do a fit. Oh, do a fit check over here. Come on. Fit check, yeah. They have to do a fit check because they didn't do one yet. So I'm gonna have them tell y'all where they got their clothes from. Sienna first. Okay, we're ready, Queen.
Fit check.
Yes.
All right, headband, Walmart.
Yum.
Shirt. This is from Marshalls. This
Cute.
is Marshalls. Nike.
Yes.
Marshalls.
Yes. A very cute outfit.
You know, just a plain old flannel. Baggy jeans.
From where?
From where?
I don't know.
Is this your first OOTD?
I think it is.
Uh,
Okay, take it to
Walmart. Goodwill. Marshalls.
Okay, period. Your turn.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
No, I ain't doing that.
okay. All right, fit check Orlando. Let's go.
Ross,
Ross,
JCPenney,
JCPenney,
Urban Outfitters,
Urban Outfitters,
Sheen,
Sheen.
Urban Outfitters.
Okay,
Work for
period. And then us 3 won already. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna end this for now.
This way. It's coming. Everyone go on the side.
Look at this. I love it. Rob and Sienna are about to come down. Just wait a minute. 2-1. How was it? Good.
Fine.
I thought you were gonna go all the way to the edge. Oh my.
How did it feel, Jolie?
Good, it hurts my butt.
It does hurt your butt.
Wait,
That hurt my knees and my elbows.
do you guys wanna go? You guys wanna go? 3, 2, 1, I'm going on the slide. Yeah, ready? Let's go! Hold on.
I like push myself.
Did you? Hold on. Let me record Brian go down, y'all. Rob's being cameraman too. Woo! Look at you. Guys, I think I'm happiest when I'm at a farm. There goes Orlando. You went all the way across. Boom! Look at this. Ramseyer's farm. That's where we're at. So many people. Clearly, we are playing now. I want to go. Tug of war? We do need to. Go, 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 go. The sky looks so beautiful.
This one's a little bit more scary.
Is it?
A little bit.
Uh-oh. Look at this. You got it, Rob.
Oh yeah. I'm coming for you, B.
Brian, hurry up, he's coming.
It's taking you forever to get there. Your pants are falling the same.
Okay. I don't think me and Sienna are getting in.
Absolutely.
But yeah.
Absolutely not. They're trying to have us do tug of war. Yeah. What about restart?
Go.
Restart.
Okay, restart.
I'm gonna get it, guys.
Ready, set, go.
Is it boys and girls? Oh shoot, let's go.
We won that one.
Easy wins all around.
Easy wins.
Easy wins all around.
What?
It did?
What? Did the red hit it?
You think the 5 guys win or the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 girls?
I don't know. I want to see.
Added another guy.
See, boys, girls, and then my friends. Okay, guys, now we have made it to the corn pit, and look at them. Look, Sienna's stuck in the corn. Look, they're gonna bury Bryant.
Oh,
Is it cold?
A little bit.
Look at that thing. I'll help a little bit. Guys, I've been to this farm twice before. This is my 3rd time. This is always my favorite part. Look. Oh my gosh. Look. Look at Brian, y'all. Brian! Hey!
where's Brian?
Are my feet still out?
Head up and see how many kids step on.
No!
It's like a
Look!
weighted blanket.
A weighted blanket.
I know. Dude, that's actually looking sick. The way I did it.
Okay, guys, now Isaiah wants to get buried with Bryant. Oh my gosh. This is so fun! Orlando, run off of this camera, go! Are you thinking about life?
I'm just comfy.
Look, it's all in your ears! Brian!
She just forgets you're there.
What about him? Is it my ear?
It's all, oh my god. No more, no more, no more. Yeah, it's all in your ears.
Is it in my ears?
Y'all look. Oh my god.
Hey,
Oh.
What's going on?
What y'all didn't see?
why did I not attacking him?
I know where he's attacking.
Hey, might go do it.
Look at them. Brian, you got corn in your pants.
I know, one almost went my butt crack.
No! Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get his face stepped on.
Where's your mouth?
Where is your mouth? Oh.
Here, just
This is his mouth.
there's kernels in his nose. Okay.
Look at his hair.
Shake your corn, shake your corn.
Mind your ears.
I bet. Oh my god.
They're playing tag, but they can only cross. Look. Freaking animals. Look at this. What the heck? I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm about to fall over. This is our version of fun. Go, go, go. Get him. What the heck? What the heck? Get him. Tag. So hard. Brian, run! Run!
I got the little kids doing it.
Oh, the kids are doing it too. Me and Sienna are just laughing our butts off
Yeah, this is
watching this.
we're a girly girl for this.
All right.
It was cute, but guys,
I think we gotta move on. We gotta move on. All right, we're on our way out of the corn maze. I mean, not the corn maze. The corn pit. Look what he pulled out of his pocket. Both of
We
them.
only got a shot. We only got a little.
I got more than him.
Hey,
Hey guys. Guys, look at this. Oh, Jolie, it smells so good. Wait, look at the sunset. It's tea. It's so pretty here.
We are about to try our yummy drinks right now. We're going to try this on cam. Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Don't tell me you got it in here.
Wait, it's not even dripping. What is that doing?
I'm not struggling. Hold on, let me do this instead.
Dude, this is good.
This is good though.
Dude, this is so good.
Y'all, I think Kevin is real. It's in a cup. It is. All right, guys. B is gonna go down the corn crib chutes. I think this hair color that I got, the bohemian hairs, is perfect. Perfect for this season, for fall. Uh-oh. I'm gonna try to record him going down. I don't know which one he's coming down from. Oh, there we go. I got you. That was a big drop. Woo. Whoa. There we go. Are you okay? Why you look like you landed all rough? I'm about to eat the cookies.
how'd that even happen?
Yeah.
My finger's frozen.
Listen, chat. She
Yours too?
is not cool, okay?
Anyone that walked up to the farm, she's
If you want to rip the other end.
She is not cool.
No, I was just being. Want to rip the other end? Want
They
a
just
little bit?
denied a whole cookie. You just denied a whole cookie.
Yeah, but both ends were big.
Okay.
They weren't big.
Are you a germ freak?
Yeah, they were. She said one side was ripped off. I ripped one side.
Alright, let's go.
my dance? No, let's do it. Let's run it. Look at me. about to make Brian do a TikTok now, so peace. Okay. Chess with pumpkins. Say pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Say pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Say pumpkin. Pumpkin. Say pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Pumpkin!
Say pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Like that. Go.
Pumpkin!
Oh my god. Pumpkin. I think Rob does it the best, not gonna lie. Anyway. Okay. We have like 30 more minutes left of this farm. That is tea. Y'all gotta see this. Look at this cute photo. Cute!
On your mark! Get set! Oh,
Okay, horse. Okay, horse.
Ready, reset. Go!
Go! Oh no! Brian! Orlando won!
Genuinely confused.
Look at how cute my friends are. Very, very cute. That's kind of scary, but yeah. Alright guys, I think we're gonna try to play a game of horse. We have 15 minutes left and then we gotta leave, but yeah, knockout, my bad, not horse.
Rob's cheating.
Oh, you're out.
Like that!
Oh, Jolie!
I'm doing this for Orlando. He's cheating! He always cheats! No! Dang! Imagine that! I lost.
Let's go, Orlando! Come on!
You give him cheating, bro.
Come on, Orlando! If Isaiah makes it, you
Ball.
lose.
Ball! Oh, shoot.
Now Orlando just has to make it.
They both cheated.
Orlando makes it, you lose! You lose!
Oh! Oh, look. Can I zoom? I'm not gonna. Look how high they're going, y'all. Let me get up here. They're down there. I'm all the way up here. I should do a TikTok up here. Hold on. I think I left my phone on the floor. No. You have it, don't you?
Come on. You can't be losing it.
I didn't lose it. Thank you.
Hold me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Get on to me. Get on to me. Get on to me.
You missed.
Oh, too bad the lighting
Yo, what's up, ma?
sucks. Oh, and I didn't
Where you
bring
from?
my freaking light.
Osmo,
Yes, I did.
you look mighty cute today. All I gotta say is, I would like to get rizzy with you.
All right, guys. Our farm day has come to an end. We are now gonna decide somewhere to eat for dinner, and then I guess we'll see you at dinner. So yeah. We're at Mellow Mushroom. It's gonna be everybody's first time except Bryant and I, and Robin here too, but
Never been
he acted like he never been here before.
No, they be
You've been
saying
with
that.
your grandma and your
They
dad.
be saying that. Oh, you guys came here now.
Yeah.
That is not true.
You went with your dad and grandma.
Right, like Orlando went to Penn Station with us.
I did not.
Yes, you did. I'm telling you.
I also told Julie,
Oh my god.
if she wanted to learn, there's probably millions
Look
of
at
tutorials on
everybody.
TikTok and YouTube on how to use it.
He's sitting all menacing.
How do you think I learned?
Angry.
Don't be angry.
We're all sitting here. I'm next to Sia.
you. My phone likes you.
And a monster. We got mellow mushroom. This is the pizza on the table in the current moment.
like triple extra barbecue sauce.
They don't have pizza yet, but theirs is coming.
Our pizzas finally came. I got pineapple, spinach, and pepperoni.
Yum. And Rob got looks like pepperoni and
Salami, pepperoni, and pineapple.
boom.
Oh shit. Fuck. Shit. Fuck.
Just learned what cussing is.
Said every single one.
Dude, what is wrong with him?
Fucking pepper, bro.
They look like leaves from over here.
They did at first. I thought so.
She's got spinach.
We do have spinach.
Healthy queen. He's not even talking. He's just eating.
I was gonna give him a round of applause, but he almost finished his crust.
Well, now he did.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, we are officially ending the vlog, so everyone's gonna say we are officially ending the vlog, so everyone can say bye now.
Bye,
You see what we have to do?
Bye, vlog.
Bye.
Bye, vlog.
Bye.